Welcome back. We're picking up right where we left off in our previous lesson. Okay, let's hide Sketch 3. Right-click and unselect Visibility. And now let's bring up Sketch 2. Activate the Extrude command. Select the region. The extrusion will be 4 millimeters. We can change the direction if needed. Let's click OK. Now let's right-click on Sketch 2 and make it visible. Extrude command again, and I'll select this region. It'll be a 2 millimeter extrusion. Again, we can change the direction if we need to and click OK. Let's hide Sketch 2. Now let's bring up Sketch 1. I'll activate the Revolve command now. Since we only have one profile and one center line, Inventor recognized and pre-selected the geometry automatically. Let's use the angle option under Extents. The angle will be 180 degrees. And again, we can change the direction if we need to. Let's click OK. All right, let's bring up Sketch 3. Right-click and select Visibility. Before I create the revolve, I need to remove part of the solid. So press down the Shift key on your keyboard and your middle mouse button. This lets you rotate your model. Let's insert a sketch. Just zoom in so we can select the face we need. Okay, right-click and New Sketch. And let's rotate our model again with the Shift key and the middle mouse button. Activate the Project Geometry command. And let's move the mouse until the face I need is selected. Exit the sketch. Activate the Extrude command. Select this face, the region, and a second region, the cut option, depth 3 millimeters, and let's click OK. Let's return to the home view, and we're ready to apply the Revolve command now. Activate the tool. First step is to select a profile. And let's select a second profile. Now the axis. The angle of revolution, 180 degrees. We can change the direction if needed, and click OK. Now let's apply the fillet command. We'll create a 2 millimeter fillet. Select this edge. And here, let's place a 5 millimeter fillet. That's a 3 millimeter difference to compensate for the wall thickness. Let's place another fillet here. Let's say 6 millimeters. Hold down the Shift key and the middle mouse button or your wheel to rotate the model, and let's click OK. Activate the fillet command again. Radius value 2 millimeters. Let's add another fillet of 1 millimeter radius value. And I'll just continue to select the edges to which I'll apply this 1 millimeter fillet. There's quite a few edges, as you can see. Okay, let's see if I missed any. We'll just rotate our model a little bit. And let's get this edge here. Let's click OK now. And let's take a home view. Activate the mirror tool. We're going to mirror the entire part. For the mirror plane, let's choose the YZ plane. OK. And here is our complete model. This concludes part 2 of this exercise.